Yashika, and I am back here again with SwiftLearn, that is India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. And at SwiftLearn, we try harder each day so that you learn better. So today, I am here with another interesting video for you, and this video is going to be very, very different from what we have done in the previous sessions. So, this is not about English speaking, how to become a confident speaker. No, this is going to be on how to live a healthy lifestyle and how to become fit from being fat. So this is what we are going to do today. So अब आज का ये session, this is not only for students, it's for students, parents, adults, and anybody who's watching this video out there and who's trying to follow a healthy lifestyle. उसके लिए ये video बहुत informative होने वाली है. All right. So before I move forward to this exciting session, let me just tell you that at SwiftLearn, we provide you 100% live and interactive classes, dedicated academic mentor team, lots and lots of practice tests, and an opportunity to participate in SwiftLearn academic test series. So what are you waiting for? Book your free trial class today. So moving forward, what do you need to do? You just need to subscribe the channel so that I can come up with more such videos. Press the bell icon, like, comment, and share. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, so it is going to be very, very motivating for you. आगे चलते हैं and let's start with the topic for today. ये होगा हमारा आज का agenda of discussion, and I am going to take you through my journey from being fat to being fit. So first of all, मैं आपको starting में ये बता दूं कि ये fat to fit क्या है. हम आपको ये नहीं कह रहे हैं the person who's fat, that person doesn't look good as compared to the person who's fit. No. And you don't have to become fit, you don't have to start your weight loss journey just because society tells you, your parents tell you, or just because किसी ने आपको बोल दिया कि आप बहुत मोटे हो, you are fat, you need to lose weight. No, it's not about getting into their influence. उनके influence से कुछ नहीं करना है. It's high time we need to understand that healthy living lifestyle is important for us. हमारे लिए important है. So it's not because किसी ने हम पे comment किया that somebody told us you do not look good तो हमने उसे seriously ले लिया. No, do not think about the world. Just think about yourself. Why healthy lifestyle is important. So let me take you through the journey from being fat to fit. Can you see this transformation on the screen? So these two are the same people on the left hand side and the right hand side. That's me. So this is me before my weight loss journey, and this is me after the weight loss journey. As you can see, the huge difference. तो ये difference कैसे आया? ये magical transformation कैसे आया? Overnight नहीं आया. So the key was hard work, patience, perseverance. तो आगे हम बात करने वाले हैं कि कैसे आप में भी ये transformation आ सकता है if you try harder. So अब I would like to tell you, when I'm taking you through my weight loss journey, I used to be 70 kgs, almost 70 to 70.5 kgs. There used to be a time जब मेरा weight इतना होता था, and now at present I have conquered all my fears. I have followed a healthy living lifestyle, and I am here at 52 kgs, which is the appropriate weight according to my height. So I'm really happy and I'm really proud to share this fact with you that I conquered my fears. I did not think about the society. कौन मेरे बारे में क्या सोचता है? Losing weight is important for me and my confidence, not for anybody else. तो आगे चलते हैं. Believe in yourself. Take on challenges. Dig deep within yourself to conquer your fears. Never let anyone bring you down. Note this line. Never let anyone bring you down. You have to keep going. कोई आपको कितना भी बोले, you don't look good, you look fat, you look thin, किसी के बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because when you are trying to lose weight, you are trying to adopt a healthy lifestyle, that is only for you to increase your own confidence. आगे चलेंगे. So it's time to dance with me. So why talking about dance here in the weight loss journey? Because dance is something really close to my heart. At the same time, dance has really helped me in my weight loss लॉस जर्नी, क्योंकि कोई ना कोई फिजिकल एक्टिविटी तो हमें करनी है इन आवर वेट लॉस जर्नी। तो उसमें डांस मेड मी हैप्पियर एंड आई डांस्ड अवे ऑल माई कैलोरीज। सो इवन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू, कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कीजिए आप, डांस, एरोबिक्स, जुम्बा, योगा, बट जस्ट dance away your calories. Dance is really going to make you feel happier and better the way I feel now. और तब भी मैं बहुत happy feel करती थी whenever I used to dance. आगे चलेंगे. So you need to understand the importance of your me time. Me time is what? When you're exploring your inner self, you need to understand that things don't work overnight. एक दिन में कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा, time लगेगा, but you need to imagine and believe that you have already achieved your fitness target. You are just trying to come closer and closer to your target, and one day you would be there. So do yoga, do meditation to explore your inner self. मैं करती थी, मैं आज भी करती हूँ. I follow this routine whenever I get time. आगे बात करेंगे तो you need to challenge yourself. Sometimes healthy eating challenge, running challenges, core strength challenge. I used to give my मैं अपने आप को challenge देती थी, like do skipping. I started from 50, then I increased it to 100, then 150. I used to do jumping jacks. Jumping jacks के challenges दिए हैं मैंने अपने आप को. This is the reason why I am here, and this is the reason how I could lose almost 18 to 19 kgs of weight. राइट, सुनने में बहुत बड़ी बात लगती है ये, 18 to 19 kgs of weight. It's not something that happened overnight. I used to be consistent with my things. वही आपको करना है. Healthy diet is very important. Morning breakfast should be full of protein, veggies, broccoli, oats, whatever you would like to eat, but full of protein. Watch the portion size. ऐसा ना हो आप कुछ ऐसा खा रहे हो जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but you're not watching the size or the portion of what you're eating. For example, I really like to eat golgappas. So it's not that I'll eat 10 golgappas in a row. No, I need to watch the portion, and water is going to be very, very important. ऐसा आपको सबने बोला होगा, पर मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है. दिस इज नॉट अ फिक्शनल स्टोरी दैट आई एम स्टोरिंग विद यू. दिस स्टोरी दैट आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू, दिस इज माय रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव अप्लाइड ऑन मी. सो नाउ ड्रिंक अप वाटर एज मच एज यू कैन, and most importantly warm water lena shuru kariye in the morning. It is really going to help you. So top secret is balanced diet, physical activity, and you are there, very very close to your goal. Be consistent and see the magic results in a few months. तो अब ये few months सबके लिए same नहीं है, because everybody's body is different. कुछ लोगों को 2 months लगेंगे, कुछ लोगों को 3 लगेंगे. So you don't need to get demotivated. You need to be hardworking. You need to have patience and perseverance. So I shared my own real life weight loss journey with you, in which I conquered my fears and I lost almost 18 to 19 kgs. My journey from being fat to fit, and from being 70 kgs to 51 and 52 kgs now. Okay, so this did not happen overnight. तो consistent रहिए, patience रखिए, believe in yourself, and everything will happen at its time. So thank you so much for watching this whole video with me. I hope I helped you in your weight loss journey. Ab aage, I would really like to listen to your weight loss journey. All right. So wishing you all the very best. Till then, टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ. अगर थोड़ी सी भी मोटिवेशन मिली इस सेशन से, मेरे रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, so that I can come up with more such interesting videos for you. Bye bye and take care.